Hello folks, it's me again. See this bolt right here? Well, it doesn't want to come out. It thinks it just wants to stay in there. It doesn't want to come out. So I'm having a problem with it. So I'm going to attempt to get the damn thing out of there. And maybe you can see this, maybe not. Let's see. Where is it? Pointing here. I'm going to attempt to get this bolt out right over here. You can't see it still. Maybe you can see it right here. Right in there. There's the bolt right there. Over here somewhere. Maybe I should put this right over here. There we go. There's the offending bolt right here. So we're gonna play with some toys. See if we can get it out. Let's see. Come on, get in there. Make this thing work. We tried heating it up a few times. It didn't want to come out, so let's see if we can get it out again. There we go. That's the right one. Nope. That bolt just does not like anything. What is it, welded on in there? I don't know. Does not want to come out. Does not want to come out. Yep, I'm not using the right sockets. So I'm going to heat it up, put some penetrating stuff on it, and then let it cool off. So it's driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. And no, I don't have any MAP gas. I'm going to use a butane torch for now, because that's all I got. That's all I got. So we're going to try to give it a little heat. Won't kill anything, right? Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. Probably not hot enough. I know. Roast me for it, but you know what? Can you see that? Let's see. What I did is I put some... Anyway. I will eventually get that one bolt that you can see right there. This is what's left of the bike right here. I got everything off here. This is going to get sandblasted. This is not, some of it's not too bad. I took the carb out. It's mostly dirt and rust. The engine looks like it could have seen better days. Needs a paint job. It was running apparently at one time. And we'll give it a good... This is what I didn't like about it. Stuff like this. It was getting really bad. So Figured I would give it a little bit of a makeover. This side too, right here, was getting a little chunky. A lot of rust here. It's mostly surface rust, but if I would have left and just painted over it, if I would have painted over this, it eventually would have been wrecked the bike. See, like here. It's weird how this part is perfectly fine and this part is completely toast. So, anyway, that's my little video. I'm trying to get a bolt out. I'm going to put some penetrating oil on it. And I will get some MAP gas or a acetylene torch and work on that. So, stay tuned. This engine will be coming out and I will be sandblasting it. Not the engine, the frame here. Thanks for watching. Toodles, and don't forget to like and subscribe.